Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got bases loaded lacquer Murder Momma, Maniology M116, and I'll be stamping with Shutout from bases loaded lacquer. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is bases loaded lacquer Murder Momma. Stunning polish. So here we go, we're going to jump right on in. So just in case you're wondering, that nail does look a little fat. It's got a whopping patch on it, y'all. I didn't make it through Christmas without breaking any, so we're going to patch it for a minute. There we go. Second coat of Murder Momma going on. Beautiful polish. This one just, I'm telling you, put that second coat on and it's just so rich. I'll be topping it with Out the Door by NM. I got this from Sally's. It's a pretty good top coat. So far, I'm liking it. There we go. There's a photo all on its own. Maniology M166. And here is Bases Loaded Lacquer Shutout. I'll be stamping with that. And my Beauty Scraper and my Monocle Stamper from Maniology. But first, we got to get this blue film off this stamping plate and clean it with some acetone. I do wipe it with a paper towel to take away the smudges. So I'm going to run this little reindeer looking scene across my nails. I just figured it would be fun and a little different, you know. Especially since it's Nightmare Before Christmas, Christmas Manny. So I'm just going to start on that pinky nail. There we go. We're going to get that rolled on there. And then we're going to clean off that stamper on the lint roller. And I'm going to clean the plate with pure acetone again. And then we're going to kind of move over a little bit to the left and get some more of this image. And I really do like images like this that kind of tell a story across the nails, or, you know, it's an image that goes across all of them. I think that's real fun. So I had to use this one today. There we go. Roll that on there. And continue on with cleaning the plate and adding more stamps to the nails. And my thumbnail is not painted because it's having issues too. So it's in timeout again. It's really, really wonky. I don't know what to do with it. It's from years of damage many, many years ago. So sometimes I like it, sometimes not so much. So we're going to finish this one off with this final image here. And I am using that little piece of tape just to remove any excess image. It just helps me. Helps me out. So there we go, all stamped up. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and remove the excess that I can. And clean it with my cleanup brush. There we have it. I'm going to top it with Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And this is going to keep that stamping from smearing when I do my real quick dry top coat. And I'll be using Poshe today. And this will complete this manicure. I do hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.